This is Dustin Howes with Affiliate Nerd Out. Welcome to the Nerdatorium. Hey folks, welcome to Affiliate Nerd Out. I'm your nerderator, Dustin Howes. Spreading that good word about affiliate marketing. Today we're doing another SaaS product review, and we've got Jorge Barbosa over at wecantrack. Welcome back to the Nerdatorium, Jorge.
Yeah, it's nice to be back, Dustin. Nice to speak with you again. It's been a while, I think 2 years since we last spoke.
It
So
has
yeah,
been some time, and I do
yeah,
remember our conversation and thinking about how cool this tool was, and I'm so glad that you guys came back around and here for round 2. Why don't you tell the audience who you are and what you guys do?
yeah, great. So I'll give you a short resume. So I'm George from wecantrack. I'm an affiliate marketing specialist and consultant, and I've been involved with affiliate publishers for the last 7 years. Currently, for quite some time, I work with wecantrack, and we provide a platform and a SaaS product for publishers to basically track all their conversions in one place, have attribution of those conversions to clicks, sessions, traffic sources, and push all that data into all the marketing tools they use. So it's quite a lot in a short sentence, but I'm sure we have time to get deep into it.
No, yeah, this is a short session, but first I want to apologize. Here you are a second timer, and I didn't know your name was George. I keep calling you Jorge instinctively because that's how I say that word. I apologize for that, buddy.
Yeah, no worries. Everyone does it, you know.
I
That's
get called Justin all the time. I don't care what people call me, honestly. Like,
yeah. Me neither. I was willing to do this whole interview with Jorge, so no problem.
all right. All right. Anyway, we're talking today about affiliate conversion tracking. And in my opinion, you guys are doing it the best out there. And you guys have a fabulous tool that's helping publishers. What kind of common pain points are you seeing publishers run into when they're trying to understand their affiliate performance out there?
If you are an affiliate publisher, and let's talk about websites, but other publishers, it applies as well. One of your common pain points, if you don't have any aggregation or conversion tracking system in place or tool, is you don't know where your transactions are generated. You
Mhm.
have to log into several affiliate networks daily, weekly, build your own reports, have a look where all the data is coming from. You might rely on manual sub IDs, so you might have sub ID tagging, so you know that these specific placement page article generated transactions, but you don't know where they came from. You don't know which user it was, which was the traffic source. So if you don't have a conversion tracking system in place as an affiliate publisher nowadays, you actually go through a world of pain, let's
Yeah.
say, because from the moment you want to start to analyze your data, to logging into everything, to building spreadsheets, those are some of the biggest pain points we see with publishers with no tracking. And then you have publishers who already have some sort of tracking system, but they also have different types of pain points, which are, for example, maybe they lack integration, automatic integration with analytics and ads platforms. So, depending on your stage as a publisher and your technical background, there is quite a few of different types that we help, but we can track. And most of them have some sort of big pain point in order to start work with us. Yeah, start working with
Absolutely,
us.
and I think it's super easy for an affiliate to grab their initial link, maybe even make it a smart link of some sort to redirect through so that they can put it in one place and all over the internet and it goes through that link. But that's like rudimentary stuff, right? Once you get a little bit more dynamic as an affiliate, you're getting into the sub ID category so you know exactly where that traffic has come and what article is coming from or what kind of ad campaign that you're going to. When the publishers are out there and when they're first digging into some of the affiliate conversion tracking, what are some of those blind spots that publishers usually discover in their data?
I can give you actually a couple of practical examples which are very interesting. Let's say you're a publisher, you have a product review, content review, media publication where you promote products, or you have listicles with different articles. If you don't have visibility, if you don't have conversion attribution, you might believe that, for example, your highest traffic articles are the ones that generate the most revenue for you. But once you install a conversion tracking system, once you have attribution and you can see which landing pages perform, which traffic sources, you might discover that those pages actually have a very low conversion rate or very low click out rate. And you might have a different type of article that gets very little traffic, but actually converts really well.
Right.
So that could change your whole content strategy from one day to another, because you might discover, oh, wow, these type of pages that I came up with 2 years ago and I stopped doing because I thought they don't really get a lot of traffic, they are actually the ones that are generating the most sales on my website.
There you go.
So I can double down on this type of content. I can do it for other partners, for other brands. And yeah, I can hopefully increase my revenue, right? Yeah.
Absolutely. It's a super good use case scenario and something that I'm going through myself at this point. Just viewing my data from an analytics standpoint makes me anxious. And I will do anything I can to alleviate that pain. And I think that's a big part of what your guys' tool is doing. And there's a lot of publishers out there that are running traffic, whether it be SEO or GEO now and AEO and social paid ads, and they're all running this traffic at the same time. So how does like proper affiliate conversion tracking help them understand what traffic sources is actually generating that revenue?
Yeah. So basically, that is one of the core benefits of our product, is that once you use We Can Track, we automatically track all the traffic sources that go to your publisher website. So we know if the traffic is coming from Google Organic, from socials, from paid ad campaigns. We automatically track those sessions. We track the clicks on your affiliate links across your entire website automatically. And then once we receive transactions from your affiliate networks, we can match each transaction with the relevant session, click, landing page, traffic source. So you can have immediately visibility on what's working, what's driving revenue, which channels are important for your website. Also, it opens up a whole new opportunity that you can try out all these different channels. So you can run paid traffic from multiple networks. Let's say you're running only Google Ads because you don't really have a lot of tracking, you're profitable.
No worries.
So basically, yeah. So if publishers now, they can run traffic from multiple sources, you can tap into Reddit ads, TikTok ads, Facebook ads, all of them running to the same landing page. You can just set up your campaigns, follow the integration with We Can Track, and we will show exactly which traffic source is generating clicks, conversions, and we push that data into those platforms as well. So you not only have that overview within our affiliate dashboard and within our system, but you will have that conversion data in your campaign. That is a game changer. In the old days, and still nowadays, a lot of affiliates, I believe, are doing that. They run Google Ads and their conversion goal optimization is outbound clicks, because that's the only thing they can optimize on. They optimize the campaign based on the number of people who click out on the offer that go to the partner. But that's not a very reliable optimization for your goal, because people might click out, but conversions could be low and they might not convert on the brand website. They might not purchase the product or service. We Can Track, you can actually optimize on real sales, just like any e-commerce business can. When they run ads, affiliates can now do the same. They can get that commission data into the campaigns. They can create different bidding strategies, run campaign tests, optimize for CPA, for ROAS. It just really opens up a whole new door for affiliates to improve their operations, scale their revenue. And it's especially important nowadays to diversify, because there has been a big shift in the last 2-3 years within the affiliate industry, especially websites who were affected heavily. So these type of visibility nowadays is super important. Yeah.
And you've got affiliates that are trying out things like paid ad campaigns because they used to have SEO traffic and that dwindled out. And now they need to know a little bit more about this traffic, and this is a great resource for them. And one of those things, I see some affiliates out there, they're jumping between affiliate networks trying to piece where their performance is coming together. And it can be hard jumping from CJ to Impact and trying to put all this together. Like, how does your affiliate conversion dashboard simplify that process?
We basically provide all that data in one place. So all your transaction data from CJ, Win, Impact, you can connect the networks to wecantrack. We pull all that data in. We fetch data. We update the dashboard every hour. So if you are a high volume affiliate or a company, you can have almost real time performance data within your wecantrack dashboard. You can see the performance of all networks. A very cool thing is that you can compare it as well. Let's say that your performance suddenly dropped this week within Impact, within a specific advertiser. You are
Okay.
going to be able to see that by standard when you open your wecantrack dashboard, because we compare always automatically the last 7 days with the previous period. You can see there is something wrong with my performance with this partner. So I will have to take a look at it. I will have to have a more in-depth review of this issue. The affiliate dashboard just shows you instantly what your performance is across all those networks, along with the attribution features that we've mentioned and tracking on the website. But only that specific part already saves you a couple of hours a week if you
Yeah.
don't have to log into the affiliate networks any longer.
Super helpful. And I saw you have 350 integrations, which is really helpful for the affiliates out there that are joined to a lot of programs. All right, all right. Google Analytics and affiliate platforms rarely talk to each other, at least in a clean way, from my experience. How does affiliate conversion tracking with G4 integrations change the way publishers are analyzing their traffic?
It gives them an additional data layer within their Google Analytics account. So, like I've mentioned, we get all these conversion data. If we can attribute it to a session, to a click, we can push that data into Google Analytics as well. We will push conversion data, revenue data. Publishers can then create even more reports within their GA4 account,
Mhm.
custom reports. We also push custom dimensions and metrics to GA4, so they have a lot more visibility into actually what's generating the revenue. And they can view also a lot of that already out of the gate in their wecantrack account, because we also track device, we also track source, medium. All that information is also available within our own dashboard and our own reports. But yeah, not only Google Analytics, we also push that data into BigQuery for more advanced operations or affiliates with a more advanced tech setup on their end. They can pull all the data from wecantrack. They can use it for their in-house applications, their own reports. We basically provide this platform where they can get everything in one place, standardized, and then they can use it either within our platform or push it to all the different tools that they need to run their affiliate business. Yeah.
Excellent. Looking ahead into the future, how do you see affiliate conversion tracking evolving as AI gets smarter and attribution models start influencing how publishers are optimizing those campaigns out there?
That's a big question. Affiliate conversion tracking, I believe, it is already around for a few years, but many publishers still don't really understand it, don't know it's possible, they don't know
Yeah.
it's available to them. Tools like wecantrack, they still are unaware that they exist. So, in my own perspective, I believe affiliate conversion tracking will become the industry standard for most publishers in the future. Because if you want to get that edge, if you want to get that advantage, if you want to try out all these different revenue sources, you need an affiliate conversion tracking. And eventually, I don't believe AI will change the conversion tracking itself, but it does improve the publisher side. It can be used within the conversion tracking funnel, so they can set up different automations, different workflows. They can analyze their data from wecantrack automatically. For example, imagine you can pull data from wecantrack. You can have a dedicated daily report that AI writes for your business based on our tracking data, and that tells you exactly what happened yesterday, what you should focus on, what you have to do today for your affiliate business, for your website, what went wrong yesterday. We already have some tools as well on our end that we are thinking ahead into the future. We always try to think about what can we solve for an affiliate publisher.
Right.
So one of the things we have at the moment is performance alerts. So we already notify our users. They can set up all sorts of different rules in their wecantrack account. And let's say if one of your partners suddenly rejects 30% or more of your commissions, or if you consistently generate revenue and 10 sales a day, let's say with one partner, and all of a sudden you have 2 days without any transactions, then you get notified by wecantrack, and we
Yes.
point out to you exactly where do you need to take action in your affiliate operations. This is wrong. This partner is declining too much. Your performance dropped with this one. And that basically takes out all the work from you, right? Because before you would have to manually go do all of that and try to have a look. Did my performance stay the same? Is there something wrong? Oh, this happened. Sometimes transactions are declined, but they are months old. So you
Mhm.
don't even notice it. You only notice it at a later date. You can take action much more quickly. That
That's a
is,
great point that you're
yeah.
making there. This actually pays for itself in a way where when tracking goes down on a network, which is very possible, you guys have a backup system that's going to help them go to the affiliate manager and say, "Hey, we still have this evidence here of this is our consistency of tracking. I still need to get paid for these days that you guys failed."
Yeah, exactly. And not only that, you have the exact volumes of how many times that link was clicked on your content, where you know that on average that specific page and that partner converts at, I don't know, 5% conversion
Yeah.
rate, and then you add a zero point 0.2 conversion rate. So you really get actionable data to be on top of your affiliate business. Affiliate conversion tracking, now I'm going to switch to the advertiser side, so the affiliate
Okay.
manager side, and to the network side, because I do believe that the affiliate conversion tracking becoming a standard for most affiliates and most affiliate publishers having a good, reliable tracking system will then also allow them to have a better relationship with their affiliate managers. So programs will be more involved with their affiliates, because in turn their affiliates can provide them with more data as well, more transparency. I don't know, let me give you an example. Let's say you have a product comparison website, or and you track the clicks with wecantrack and which products were clicked from that specific partner over a
Mhm.
period of 6 months. That is valuable data that potentially, depending on your terms and your website, you can share with the advertiser, because the advertiser knows what he sells, but he doesn't know exactly what your audience is clicking on, what they are interested, how do they get to the advertiser website. And can be opportunities there not only for the publisher but also for the advertiser. So I do believe that improving the conversion tracking ecosystem for publishers will eventually lead also into improving the relationship of the publishers with the networks, with the affiliate managers. We see networks already doing great things with improving their relationship with publishers. I can give you a good example from AWin, just released, I believe, last year, their conversion protection initiative.
Mhm.
And that's an initiative that works directly with advertisers to tackle the problem of inaccurate tracking and misattributed sales. So they want the brands also to have better tracking on their website, so the
Right.
sales get better attributed to their publishers. Yeah, that is a different type of conversion tracking. I'm not really involved with it, but it's interesting to see that this dynamic is happening in the industry. And yeah, I do believe that publishers who don't have tracking, in the coming years, they are basically at a big disadvantage compared with their competitors. No matter what type of publisher you are, not only websites, if you have a marketplace, an application, you need data so you can optimize your content to your audience. Yeah.
Absolutely. And you bring up the point of affiliate managers building their relationships with the affiliates by suggesting good tools like what you guys have produced here to their affiliates. And there's missed opportunity for a lot of affiliate managers to become affiliates of themselves, promoting products that are going to make their publishers look good and convert more. So it's always a good suggestion for affiliate managers out there to be looking at tools like this, to be sharing them with their audience as well. All right, last question
Yeah.
here, George. If somebody's listening out there today and realize that they don't actually have proper affiliate conversion tracking in place, what are some of the first steps they need to do to start fixing it?
The first step would be to go to our website.
Okay.
You can go to wecantrack, you can schedule a demo, you can also reach out to our support. We can open a conversation. You can ask to speak with me if needed as well, but any of our team members can help. And the first step would be to open the account, connect your networks, and connect your websites if you have them. That can be done pretty quickly. Wecantrack as a very plug and play system. So let's give a practical example. You're a publisher, you have 10 different affiliate networks, and you have one website. You can probably get connected and set up within your wecantrack account in under 1 hour, 2 hours maximum. We have
Excellent.
pretty detailed guides depending on your website setup. If it's WordPress, if it's custom built, they might have some technical details that we have to address, but you can ask us and we can immediately tell you this is how you have to implement your website. From that point onwards, you have immediately access to all these different data that we previously spoke, different reports, and it also unlocks quite a few advanced features. We didn't really touch on advanced publisher features yet. Maybe,
Okay. Yeah,
yeah.
absolutely. What are some of those tools that the advanced publishers are utilizing?
Yeah, sure. There is something just for all affiliates out there that I thought is very beneficial for them to know. There is a couple of points that some of them don't know that's possible or they don't work with. We have them, but we can track. So I'm biased, but I will mention them. That we do have like tools like affiliate link tester, affiliate link builder. We now have a link monetizer. So if you have content, you can install our script. We monetize the links, your outgoing links ourselves. We are not a network. We don't generate commissions for you. We work with your links from your networks, but you connect your affiliate networks to us from the supported ones at the moment, and we can monetize your content. You can put out a new website, for example. Let's say you want to build a new website or you want to monetize an existing one. You install our script. We will cover all of those networks. If you have valid partnerships, we will monetize all outgoing URLs. There is also tools that now make life much easier and faster for affiliates to focus on generating good content, good revenue, instead of manually creating links, double checking if links are working, going to have a look at stats in different platforms. You can automate 80% of your affiliate business if you have affiliate conversion tracking plus some of these advanced features in place. Yeah, and then you can focus basically on strategy, right? Strategy, scaling, growth, instead of reporting, planning, manual work. Yeah.
Yes, absolutely. And I want to focus on my content. That's what I'm good at. I don't need to be spending this time. And you guys alleviating that is a great benefit to the publishers out there.
Yeah.
Great session. Thank you for joining us, George. Appreciate your time here today. And if you want to go check, you have a 7-day trial. Is that correct?
It's 15 days.
15?
Yeah.
Go try
Yeah.
out We Can Track for yourself. Go to dustinhouse.com/We Can Track, or use this QR code here, or hit up the description and there's going to be my affiliate link to help support my content making habits here. George, thanks so much for being here.
No, thank you. It was a pleasure, Dustin. Once again, thanks.
You got it. Okay, folks, take care. Keep on recruiting. Listening to Affiliate Nerd Out.